Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Fractal Bitcoin. Welcome, I'm Chris. This is your daily Bitcoin news video. Today's news video is going to be short because we're doing the Bitcoin panel live stream a bit later, but let's get right into it. This is the Bitcoin price right now, 47,387. So yeah, you can see we've come up quite a bit since yesterday. We're making a good move. I'm going to zoom in, but normally I leave this chart on, showing from 2015 to the current day, which I love showing that in log scale. But let's zoom in a little bit just so we can appreciate the move that's happening. You can see on the right here, this the candle on the far right, we've pumped up from, this is a weekly candle, we've pumped up from about in the 42,000 range. Now we're almost at 48,000. So, everyone online is psyched about the price action. And this is, to some degree, it's exciting. But, we know what's going to happen over the next 18 months. It's going to be a bull run. Price is going to go to new all-time highs. Some people are predicting 250,000, 300,000, 500,000. I don't count out any of those predictions because we don't know what's going to happen with the ETF. With the ETF becoming available for, normal people to put some of their allocated investment toward Bitcoin. So let's move on to that. This is the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, says Bitcoin is creating a global internet of value. Man, now BlackRock is being like a huge cheerleader for Bitcoin when just less than a year ago, their CEO said that Bitcoin was terrible, it's worthless, right? Isn't it interesting how how things happen? Anyway, there's a bunch of factors for increased adoption, and we've talked about it a lot here, but adoption is happening slowly, and more normal people are being exposed to this idea that, Bitcoin, it's not a scam like everybody said it was for 14 and a half years. It's a real thing. In fact, it's a wonderful thing. In fact, it might be the most wonderful thing that's ever happened to us in our lifetimes, the invention of Bitcoin. So, and Bitcoin ETFs are the most successful ETFs 1 month after launch ever. Out of 5,535 total launches in 30 years, they hold the number 1 spot, number 2 spot, number 20, and number 22. And there are still 2 days left. Here's a little graphic showing that. By the way, shout out to all you guys listening to the audio podcast. I really appreciate you guys. But the ETF is a huge success. It's the most successful ETF launch ever so far. Now here, of course, we always have to talk about fiat currencies a little because that's what Bitcoin solves, right? These fiat currencies. Look at this headline from The Guardian. UK workers must accept lower pay deals to help beat inflation, says the bank resetter. The Deputy Governor, Sarah Breeden, also says firms must rein in profits as there is some way to go to meet 2% inflation target. Do you understand what I just read? They're literally asking people and companies to accept lower pay so that we can beat inflation. I mean, look, this is the most insane. This is the government inflates the money, inflates the currency without asking anyone. They just inflate the currency and it becomes more and more worthless. And then they turn to you and say, you have to work for lower wages and you can't make as much money because we have to fix this. This is the biggest scam ever. It's a quiet scam. It's kind of silent, right? Most normal people don't even understand really what inflation is. But this is how the elites do it. They inflate the currency. They gather most of the money to themselves, and then they don't mind when the currency crashes because they own everything, meaning they own a lot. They own real estate. They own lots of valuable things. And then guess who suffers? It's us, the normal people. So this is insane that they're literally normalizing this. Same thing happens with the stupid climate scam. Oh, we need to kill these cows to save the environment. And it's literally stupid. It's crazy. All right. So what's the point of the story here? The point of the story is Bitcoin is what solves this, because with Bitcoin, the governments and these elites, they can't play these funny games. Can't play them. Sorry. And now guess what? You and I, we're on equal footing with these people. So yeah, real quick, this is our website, and look on the top, it says join our locals community. And if you click that, you can come over here to our locals community, fractalbitcoin.locals.com, and join. This is where we hang out and chat. And the reason today's video is a little shorter is because we're doing the Bitcoin panel at 4 p.m. Eastern. We're doing it every Friday. This is I made this image here with some AI. It's a pretty decent image. Anyway, we stream for about an hour, 4 p.m. Eastern on Fridays. You can watch on Rumble. Rumble's the best place to watch and the best place to follow our channel, which on Rumble, that means subscribe. But you follow on Rumble. But we also stream on YouTube, Zap.stream, Twitter, and Twitch. We got a bunch of great people joining. It's going to be a really fun panel, really good discussion. So thanks for watching. It's been a decent week for Bitcoin, right? We're marching up. It's starting to get exciting. And don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel and like the video and everything. And we'll see you in the Bitcoin panel. And after that, we'll see you Monday. All right. Bye.